How to go to the next page in Adobe Acrobat. Alright folks, if you get lost in your PDF trying to flip the next page, it happens to best of us. It's actually super easy to move around in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive into the topic. First thing first, you will see this type of interface once you are inside the PDF. Now what you have to do is simply go to this right hand side menus over here. And here you can see a page's numbers. Now what you have to do in order to go to the next page is simply tap on this downward arrow right over here, tap on it, and that will take you to the next page. That is our second page. If you have remembered, it was one right over here. So we have successfully went to the next page using this arrow right over here. So that was the whole process that you can use in order to go to the next page in Adobe Acrobat. So there you have it, a quick way to save the next page in Adobe Acrobat. Play around with this method and you will be navigating your PDF like a pro in no time. That's all for today's video. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.